The Amazon rainforest spans over 5.5 million square kilometers, covering parts of 9 countries in South America. It is home to an incredibly diverse ecosystem. The Amazon is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, home to millions of species, many of which are yet to be discovered. The Amazon River, the second longest river in the world, flows through the rainforest, shaping its landscape and providing a vital source of water for the ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth because it produces approximately 20% of the world's oxygen. The Amazon is facing severe threats, including deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change. Many organizations and governments are working together to protect the Amazon rainforest. The future of the Amazon is uncertain, but with global collaboration, we can ensure its survival and continue to protect the vital part of our planet. The Amazon rainforest is truly a treasure that needs our protection. By understanding its importance, we can take steps to ensure it thrives for generations to come.
Subscribe to Infinite Facts